Welcome to LinkedIn Training Kit Chapter 2. LinkedIn Account Preferences. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to set LinkedIn account preferences. Step by step. So let's get started. After logging into the LinkedIn account, on the dashboard, select the Me icon from the top right panel and select the Settings and Privacy option, wherein you will be taken to the Settings page. Select the first option, Account Preferences, which may be automatically selected. Towards the right side, multiple options will be visible, including profile information like name, location and industry, and personal demographic information. Click on the right arrowhead towards the end of it, say for example name, location and industry. A new screen will be opened where you can edit the intro details, make necessary changes and click on Save. Again, click the Settings and Privacy option to make other changes. Example, set personal demographic information by clicking the right arrowhead of this field. You can select other important details on this page such as gender by choosing your gender from the drop-down list. Next, select any disability if associated with you. You can also have a glimpse into how LinkedIn uses this data. Click on Learn More for any additional information. Finally, click on Agree and Save. Following this, under the Account Preferences option, you can choose the profile mode, dark or light. Clicking on the dark mode will darken your profile background. You may choose device settings, dark or light mode depending on your preference. You can also update the site preferences by choosing preferred language, content language, autoplay videos, showing profile photos, feed preferences, people also viewed, people you unfollowed. To update the language preferences, click on the arrowhead towards the right, select your preferable language you use on LinkedIn from the multiple language options available in the dropdown. Based on the selection made, for example Español, Spanish, all the text language format will be converted into the respective language. For the convenience of all, let's switch back to English. Next is selecting the content language, where you can choose the language in which you want the LinkedIn content translated into. You can change the default language by clicking on the Change button. Further, you also can add a new language too by clicking on this button. Moving back to Account Preferences. Next, you can choose to autoplay LinkedIn videos by turning on or off the toggle button here. If you toggle it off, the videos in your feed will not be autoplayed. Another feature in Account Preferences is showing profile photo. The default option selected is all LinkedIn members, which can be changed into your suitable preference. You can select which LinkedIn members' profile photos would you like to see. Choose any from, no one, your connections, your network, or default option all LinkedIn members that is already selected. Following this, check the feed preferences where you can manage your network by following pages as per your suitability. You can follow any number of pages by scrolling up and down from the ones that appear in your network. Here under My Network, you can also manage connections or groups by clicking on them. You can see requested groups and discover new groups. In order to navigate to the previous page that is Account Preferences, you can either click the back button or navigate to Me in the top right panel and click on Settings and Privacy. Now, under the People Also Viewed option, you can choose to display the People Also Viewed box on your profile page. Turn the toggle off or on depending on your choice to display this setting. Further, the next account preference you can check is People You Unfollowed. This will show the list of people you have unfollowed on LinkedIn. So, if you need to unfollow anyone, go to the profile of the person, and select Unfollow from the drop-down menu at the top of the profile summary. After you've unfollowed a person, any post from him/her will disappear from your feed. Moving further, you can have privilege to syncing options using which you can sync your calendar or contacts. To sync your account, click the arrowhead here. Here you can sync the contact information from Google, Outlook, Personal, Outlook, Work or even phone contacts. Additionally, you can sync your calendar or remove it at all. Currently, syncing calendar is turned off, but you can always sync it to see your meeting history with people. Depending on your choice, you can synchronize your LinkedIn profile with any of these platforms to enjoy convenience. From this page, you can navigate back to manage your contacts, and on the next window, click the Sync Your Contacts button. Moreover, you can also add more contacts, export contacts or manage already synced contacts on this window. To move back to the main page, click on Me and select Settings and Privacy. After syncing the contacts, next you can manage your subscriptions and payments. Upgrade to Premium account for free and view purchase history. To upgrade your account, click here. See how you would like Premium to help you by clicking the relevant checkboxes here, and check all the recommended and available plans by clicking this button. Under the first one, Career Plan, you can gain more information under the Learn More. LinkedIn provides a free 1-month upgrade to premium account at a nominal fee, about $47 per month. Further scrolling down, you can look at FAQs for any queries that you have on mind. Likewise, you can check other plan options too, namely Business, Sales Navigator Core, and Recruiter Lite to choose your preferred one. Prices may vary depending upon the plan. Now, navigating back to the account preferences under Me, Settings, and Privacy. After checking the payments and subscriptions, you can check the partners and services. Click the Microsoft Account Partner where you can control which Microsoft accounts you grant access to your LinkedIn data. Currently, no access is granted to any account. Click on the back button, check Twitter settings which is not currently enabled. You can add a Twitter account under this setting. Again, click back to go back to the main page. Here you can now choose account management where you can merge, hibernate or close your existing LinkedIn account. Clicking on the merge account lets you to transfer connections from a duplicate account and close it later. Simply enter the email address of the duplicate account that needs merging. Next, enter the password in this field and click on Submit to merge accounts. Click back button to see the hibernate account feature. This is useful basically when you need a little break. So, this is the best option if you'd like to temporarily hide your profile and activity, but don't want to close your account. Pick the reason why you are choosing to hibernate, although it's optional. Select the reason if you need a break, you're getting too many emails, you have a privacy concern, or for any other reason. Select Other and specify your reason of hibernating in the text field below and click on Next. Scrolling down further, lets you check the FAQs related to this. You can also visit the Help Center for any detailed information. Again, click on Account Preferences for moving to the main page. And look at the Close Account feature where you can close your account permanently. You will also lose your connections, messages, any endorsements and recommendations. Click on Continue if your decision to close account is final. Pick the most relevant reason from the mentioned ones and click on Next to permanently close your LinkedIn account. So by following these simple steps, you can change or reset your account preferences conveniently. See you in the next tutorial.